Hello, this is Kevin for the early test video component. So first exercise is about the prostate cancer data. We are trying to explain the response variable with total four predictors. Overall, the model explains the data pretty well, but out of these four predictors, I would say cancer volume and then weight predictors are more significant than the others because it has relatively higher estimate coefficients, and then p-values are p-values of both predictors are lower than the significance level when it is 0.05. Um, Even though there are no major concerns with the residual plots, but QQ residuals plots have a minor issues with both tails. They are a little deviate from the diagonal line, so I would say there could be a minor issue with the normality. And then the residuals versus fitted plots also have the minor issues because because there's a slight curve in the plot. The second exercise is about the population growth of the bacteria. Um, we first try to apply linear model to this, but linear model does not explain it pretty well, as you can see from this plot. The residuals versus fitted plot. It's not randomly scattered, so it is not linear. Um, so we are applying polynomial model, quadratic model, and then it explains pretty well. It really well. Um, so yeah. And then but there's a loss when we use polynomial regression instead of the simple linear regression, because since polynomial regression has the terms higher order terms like x squared or x to the third, so it is hard. The model um, becomes harder to explain, and then outside of the data range, polynomial models can behave unpredictable. So while it fits better, but the model is less intuitive and then less stable. Um, One takeaway from the theoretical foundation is that was a hat matrix. Didn't know when I first got introduced to matrix, I didn't know the true meaning or the benefits from the hat matrix, but after doing theoretical work, I realized that in a computing perspective, in computation perspective, H matrix is very, very important because it it it's easier to compute, basically. Yeah. Bye-bye.